Here's what's new for RemoteWinBox and Admiral for the month of May 2023. To start with, you might have noticed that we have a router listing that you don't have to click in and out of anymore to get to backups, Fleet Commander, your usual router settings, and Login Manager and Security. And what's really cool is that we've updated the router settings so that if you go into your router, you now have access to wireless information, Wi-Fi scanner, and end user. So this you can update as usual, but you can also quickly get access to update SSID and add guest Wi-Fi, as well as Wi-Fi scanner, and easily manage your end users. And if you haven't noticed, we did put the billing integrations in. So now if you add your API key to your billing software platform, you can pull in your subscriber information. So speaking of router listing, if you go into your profile, you should now see a setting that you can manage your router listing and the default sort. So the default router sort can be by ID, name, online, offline, CPU, RAM, or disk. And once you save that and apply it, and you go back to your router listing, this sort should be sticky, and that will be how your routers are always sorted for all of the listings. Some items that have been updated in April include our hierarchy auto build and our topology mapper. So if you go into beta features and select hierarchy, if you don't see your routers sorted like this one, you select the auto build. We use MikroTik data to detect which routers are connected to what and in what order. So here you'll notice this is root, and then I've got my VPN router, and then I've got a couple routers under that. You still have the ability to move routers if for some reason the auto build didn't correctly detect your network topology. Once you've selected the auto build and our data has been put into the database, then you should be able to see your topology map displayed in the topology mapper. Again, if you update any routers to your network, you're going to want to hit the auto build button again to be able to accurately see your routers in the topology mapper. One of the challenges that our team has been working on is trying to make time zones easier for Fleet Commander and firmware scheduling. So we've added technology to auto detect your time zone and set that when doing firmware or Fleet Commander schedules. That's a few highlights of what we've been working on for the month of May 2023 for Admiral and RemoteWinBox. As always, if you want to stay up to date on what we're working on, watch our changelog on RemoteWinBox.com. If you have any questions or concerns, send us an email at support@RemoteWinBox.com.